Welcome to your journey towards reclaiming your energy. These meditations are meticulously crafted for you to reclaim your energy and assert greater control over your life. By tapping into your subconscious, they empower you to visualize and manifest the life you desire. Unlike hypnosis, this technique taps into your subconscious receptivity. Listen daily for 21 days to realign with your innate energy flow. Make it a part of your routine and feel the affirmations effortlessly replenishing your energetic reserves. I reclaim my energy from toxic relationships and draining interactions. I release the need to invest my energy in people who do not value or reciprocate it. I set healthy boundaries to protect my energy from being depleted by others. I embrace change and transformation with grace, flowing effortlessly through life's currents. I let go of guilt or obligation to give my energy to those who drain me. I release any lingering attachment to past energy drains, freeing myself to embrace new opportunities for growth and fulfillment. My value isn't determined by external judgments. Understanding that self-worth comes from within and isn't defined by others' opinions. I trust my intuition to guide me away from energy vampires and towards positive connections. I forgive myself for investing energy in people who were not deserving of it. I reclaim my power by redirecting my energy towards my own growth and fulfillment. I release any fear or doubt surrounding my ability to replenish my energy, trusting in my innate resilience and strength. I trust my intuition and make decisions confidently, embracing inner wisdom and the ability to make choices with certainty. My energy is a precious resource, and I use it to create a life filled with purpose, passion, and joy. I release any limiting beliefs or patterns that drain my energy, replacing them with thoughts and actions that empower and uplift me. I release the burden of trying to change or save others. I am resilient and adaptable, able to bounce back from any challenges or setbacks that may come my way. I let go of the belief that I need to fix or rescue others at the expense of my own energy. I embrace the freedom that comes from releasing energy-draining relationships. I choose to surround myself with positive, uplifting influences that replenish my energy. Each day, I affirm my commitment to honoring and protecting my boundaries, knowing that it is the foundation upon which I build my life. I honor my energy as a precious resource and invest it wisely in relationships that uplift me. I let go of the need to please others at the expense of my own well-being. I release any fear of being alone and embrace the freedom of choosing where to invest my energy. I affirm my worth and value, choosing to invest my time in relationships and activities that bring me joy, fulfillment, and vitality. I release any guilt or obligation to stay in relationships that drain my energy. I release any attachment to the idea of fixing or changing others to meet my expectations. I prioritize self-care and self-love to honor my worth. Valuing oneself by practicing self-care and cultivating self-love as essential aspects of well-being. With each breath, I draw back the energy I've scattered, centering it within myself for renewed strength and clarity. I am magnetically pulling back all the energy I've expended, reclaiming it as my own and restoring my vitality. I am gathering up all the scattered fragments of my energy, weaving them back together into a cohesive and harmonious whole. The energy I've scattered is returning to me like a magnetic force, filling me with a renewed sense of power and purpose. I am enough just as I am, and I deserve happiness, recognizing self-sufficiency and deservingness of happiness regardless of external factors. As I reclaim my energy, I feel myself becoming more whole, more centered, and more aligned with my true purpose. I am capable of creating the life I desire. My energy returns to me now, like a river flowing back to its source, nourishing me and revitalizing my spirit. I am calling back all the energy I've invested in others, reclaiming it as my own and using it to propel myself forward. I am unafraid to take risks and pursue my dreams, embracing courage and fearlessness in the pursuit of aspirations and ventures. I call back all the energy I've invested in others, reclaiming it for my own growth and well-being. My energy is returning to me now, replenishing my inner reservoirs and revitalizing my spirit.